Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome back. So I recently made some purchases from Viviva to update my paints. I've got some that are broken and used up on my old sets. So I've replaced my original and spring pan sets, which are phenomenal. I love the colors in both of them. I also treated myself to the Christmas set, which is another version of the original color sheets, my ultimate favorite. So that is always a winner for me. And I always get a cute little coloring card, which is so fun. I never know which one it's going to be every time I place an order. So it's always a nice surprise. But this set I've never had before, and I'm so excited. This is the metallic pan set. Now, I've had the metallic color sheets, and these colors are so beautiful. And you can just see how shimmery they are. They translate really nicely, and they give you double silver and double gold, which is nice because, of course, that's what I use the most when I use metallics. But I've always wanted the pan set, so I treated myself, and I just wanted to show you this and to test swatch it so that you can better see how the colors look and how I can kind of plan my colors as I'm using them. So it comes in this sleeve. So I'm always surprised by how compact all of these sets are and how lightweight they are. I mean, the cork is feather light, and then they've got these colors that look absolutely lovely, and I am ready to experiment with these. So this is the color swatch that tells me what the colors are called. So I always have my color swatches with my paint sets so that I know what my color is going to look like as I'm choosing them in the palette. So I'm excited to have this test swatch. This, of course, is the fly out palette. So I can mix my colors here, just as you see I've done here with this one. So it's super handy. Everything I need is right here. And I'm looking forward to seeing what these colors look like on the paper. This one is the metallic light green. I'm going to try and add a little more on the left. That's a little darker, so I can get a feel for the range of this color. That's super pretty, very subtle. And then I have the yellow topaz. That's a really pretty name, actually. This one is the orange sapphire. Again, a very pretty name. Then we have the pink pearl. That is pretty gorgeous too. I love pearlized effects anyway, so I'm a sucker for a pearl. That was the Udilite. This is amethyst. This is aquamarine. This is sapphire. Green sapphire. Then we have rust. Oh, I like that a lot. Rust is one of my brand colors, so I think I'll really enjoy using this. Brown quartz. This one is metallic gray. Silver. and pearl black. Unfortunately, my sapphire leaked, but that's okay. I do that at least once on every swatch test. If you have any questions or need some encouragement, let me know in the comments below or in our private Facebook group, which is a safe space for you to share your projects and your thoughts. There's a link to join us in the description. If you're just finding this channel on YouTube, I have a watercolor painting challenge you can join today. You'll get access to all the lessons, the full color workbook, and the community, as well as the online challenge hub, all for free, so you don't want to miss it. There's a link to sign up in the description. And when you join us in the challenge community, you might even see your artwork featured in one of these videos later on. Thank you so much for being here. And if you enjoyed this video, I would so appreciate if you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos as they come out, and I'll see you next time.